Welcome to Katerina Finds. I received a clothing rack with the storage made of bamboo. I'll put it together and show you its functions. So it came with very easy instruction, and this is all what it was in the box.
This clothing rack is super easy to put together, just follow instruction. It took me just few minutes. Thoughtfully designed with solid hanging rod and spacious storage shelf, this garment rack provides ample space for all your clothing and accessories. The hanging rod can support up to 33 pounds, perfect for organizing clothes, while the shelf holds up to 44 pounds for shoes, handbags, hats, and other items. Designed to support substantial weight, this bamboo garment rack is built with solid construction, providing exceptional stability and sturdiness. Constructed from premium bamboo, the garment rack features a finely polished and lacquered finish, ensuring a smooth and burr-free surface. The natural wood texture has a touch of warmth and sophistication to your home, while natural paint ensures the safety to your household. This attention to detail in craftsmanship guarantees that rack not only looks good but also feels great to use. Some of my special event clothes cannot be placed in a dryer, so after washing it in a washing machine, I actually let it dry on this rack. It doesn't drip any water, so it's safe.
This clothing rack with the storage is made of 100% real wood, actually bamboo. It came in such a nice quality. It took me a few minutes to set up, maybe 10. It was pretty easy. It's very simple and elegant style. It would fit so many different home decors. I like it so much. It fits in my bedroom so well because sometimes I organize my outfits in advance and I prefer to put them separate and I hang them on the door. So instead of that, I can keep this clothing rack. It has such a stylish look again, and I absolutely love the quality of it. It comes in such a beautiful natural color wood. It can be used in the bedrooms, in the closets, in the bathrooms, in the storage space, maybe coat closet, maybe somewhere in the garage. In so many settings, you can use this shelf. You can put 2 or 3 together to have more room. If you have extra bedroom that you're using as a closet, it's great and inexpensive way to add clothing racks. It seems like very stable and I am very happy I received it. I do recommend it. If you have small space, like if you're student in a dorm, it will give you enough extra closet basically space in your room. It's so many ways you can use it and I loved it. I absolutely loved it and I do recommend it.